Alright guys, take a look over here. I got some mushrooms going, I got some onions going, and I got some steak right here. Real shredded up. I'm making, you already know what I'm making, cheesesteaks. Alright. Leave that to the side. See, look how thin these are. Look how thin these are. I want to make one, enough for one. Alright. I'm going to season it while it's in the pan. And you know what, guys? The star of the show, let me show you. Look, with WHIZ, Philadelphia style. This is guaranteed Philadelphia style right here. Let me throw this in here. I'm gonna put this low. My cast iron, on the cast iron is gonna give it a lot of flavor. Cause I've been cooking on this cast iron for a minute. Should be enough for one. Look at that. Onions, walking the caramelized. Alright. Guys, I'm gonna season them. Some salt. Look at this. Some salt. Pepper. Oh, damn. Good. Pepper and garlic powder. And don't put too much salt because the cheese whiz already has salt. Chopping it up. Beautiful. I like mine with mushrooms, guys. You don't like mushrooms, don't add it. You don't like onions, don't add it. Plain and simple. Alright. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. I like leaving some chunks cold too as well. Alright guys, I got this heated up right here, the middle section right here. I'm gonna toast that up a little bit. Toast up a little bit. I got the cheese whiz in here melting. I don't use microwaves, guys, so I'm old school with it. Alright. Got that little thing right there. Take them out. Got this here. Alright. Alright, I'm gonna start loading it on. Oh yeah, this is how I like my mushrooms right there. Look, take a look. Alright guys, I'm gonna take some of this right here, throw it in here, and I'm gonna start incorporating them together now. That's beautiful right there. Cheesesteak, perfect cheesesteak. Hopefully this place is better than Mac. Hopefully this cheesesteak is better than Max's, because I went to Philly and I went to Max's, and I'm sorry, Gilly the Kid. Sorry, brother, I wasn't impressed, man. My opinion. All right, I like to incorporate a little bit of this cheese right here. Look at that, liquid gold. So I like to incorporate a little bit. We're gonna throw more, exactly, you know, Philly way. Okay. Mix it in. Sorry, man, I wasn't impressed by Max's, guys. I think I got a picture too. I'm gonna post it at the beginning of the video. Me at Max's. Or inside Max's, I don't know. Alright. Salt. Pepper. Alright guys, let me assemble this sandwich. Just like they do in Philly. That's what they do. They do it real quick because it's real busy. They put that on the bread first. I like Jim's. And D'Alessandro's is good money. Geno's and Pat's and all that, that's like a tourist gimmicky, you know what I mean, place. You know, I'm not feeling that. Alright, here we go. Make sure it has meat. Don't be stingy with your meat. So it has cheese incorporated in there. Throw this whole thing up in there. Last part over here, guys. WHIZ. Wrap this up. Order number 25. Alright, I'm gonna wrap it up right there. Real quick. Cut it up. Okay. Order number 54. Quick, easy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Look at that. There we go. Look. Look at that. Alright guys, look at this. Beautiful. Look how beautiful that is. Got the mushrooms. You got the onions, slightly charred. Look at that. I'm gonna take my first bite. I'm gonna let you know how it tastes. It's better than Max's. Don't shoot me, Philly. Shout out to Philly. I like Philly. Love Philly. Let me taste this. Wow, this is serious. So they got garlic powder, salt, pepper, the cheese whiz, the mushrooms, and the onions. It's, here, let me, camera person. You tell me right now. I want to hear your voice, camera person. Here, I'm going to give the camera person a bite. Let me know your reaction to this. Hold on. Honest truth. Keep it real. Was it better than Max's when we went to Max's? Was it? Yes or no?
Yes.
Oh, God, please.
Hey, can you make another one?
I knew you was gonna ask that for another one. I knew.
So good.
Right there, yeah, I already knew that.
All right. Get to going.
All right, guys, make this at home. Already getting requests. She had the cameras rolling. I didn't even know. But make this at home, guys. All right. Peace.